Hey guys, it's me Elise and I'm back with another affordable wig. Now this particular wig I wanted specifically for vacation. I wanted something that I can take with me and just throw on and take off at the end of the night. I don't want to have to sit in the salon for hours after hours getting anything installed. The way how my head is set up and my headaches, I probably couldn't do that. But most importantly, I didn't want to have to break the bank and spend hundreds of dollars on getting anything like this. And so I found this wig on Aliexpress and it comes from a company called SOKU. I will leave all the details in the info section below. And if I can find a discount code, I'll leave that below as well. I wanted something that was super quick to install, but super lightweight at the same time. So when I found this wig, I was instantly sold. As you guys can see, this is a headband wig. It has two combs and a elastic strap that's unadjustable, unfortunately. However, it has a really nice and snug fit and it's super comfortable. Now this headband wig has those curly faux crochet locks. I was surprised to see that these are actually crochet locks. So there's a braid in the middle of the crochet, which makes it super realistic. My wig came with the headband, however, I wasn't too fond of it, so I decided to use my own. I have this faux leather headband, and if I can find a link to this online, I will leave it below. But you can get it at Sally's. If you walk directly into the store, you can find it there. This wig also came with some hair jewelry, which I'm going to go ahead and install right now. I'm just going to use a few of the gold cuffs as well as a couple of the rings. I'm going to go ahead and add that to a couple of locks, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys a few different ways that I plan on wearing this wig. So this will be the first look. Of course, this is pretty much my go-to, super easy. And one thing about this wig is that it looks a whole lot heavier than what it really is. I want to add that this wig is super lightweight. It's 100% synthetic and super affordable, priced at under $40. I want to say $38.99. So yeah, this is the first look. So we're going to get into the second look. Now I wanted the hair to be up and off of my shoulders. However, this wig is 24 inches long, so that's like impossible to have it off of my shoulders. But I knew that I wanted it up and out. So I decided to take one of my elastic hair ties and I just put it on. I didn't loop it or anything like that. It's just on, securing the hair. I wanted it to be more forgiving and just kind of dropped down my face. And this is a second look. This is like bathing suit type hair. This is like we're going to like the Caribbean or Hawaii or something where there's beaches, and although the weather is kind of dropping, I'm still going to wear this hair. But yeah, this is the second look. I'm in love with this look. It's so cute. Okay, let's get into the third look. Now of course y'all know me, I have to at some point wear a high bun, but I decided to do a giant donut bun. I just sort of wrapped it around itself, creating a huge donut or a bagel, I guess you can call it. And this is the third look. Of course, you're going to have a little bit of bulging in the back, but it makes it look more forgiving. So it ain't never hurt nobody. But yeah, definitely cute. You guys can see how giant this donut is. It's huge. You can definitely add a few hair accessories within the locks, maybe even pull out some of your own natural hair, give it some little wispies. I don't know, it's cute to me. Okay, so we're gonna get into the fourth look. How many looks did I do? I think I did about 5 different looks, but of course the half up, half down. You know, you can never go wrong with the half up, half down. This is definitely something that you can wear to like school, to work. I decided to do a half up, half down, and I just bunned up the top. Now this wig is filled with fillers to kind of give it that thick look. take a little bit of your Got To Be Glued spray and just spray it. It'll hold all those little short pieces down, because you're going to come across a whole lot of them throughout this wig, and it's nothing wrong with them. It's just fillers to allow the wig to look a little thicker. Add a little bit of your Got To Be Glued spray, just kind of agitate it to where they're laying down, and you'll never even know. But definitely keep in mind that this is a wig, so you have to grab a mirror, look at the back, make sure everything's looking good, and you'll be good to go. So this is the fourth look. This is the fourth look. Yeah, this is the fourth look. So yeah, it's super cute. Get into it. Now this is the fifth look. I want to say this is the final look. I couldn't think of anything else, but if you guys do plan on sharing with me how you plan on wearing your wig if you decide to pick this one up, I would love to know. But I'm just pulling some of the hair forward. This look is definitely giving me natural vibes. This is just giving me like I'm meant for this. This looks good on me. But yeah, you guys do check out SOKU on Aliexpress. I'll leave all the details below. Let me know which style was your favorite style, or if you didn't like any of them, how you plan on styling up this wig if you do plan on picking it up for yourself. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.